Hey guys, Silverlugia860 here, and I just got back from Target and picked up the new black and white blister pack with the Oshawott promo, and then I picked up one of these, which includes, I got Snivy, and it has one black and white booster, one 3-card promo pack, and then the promo card. This is really nice new packaging. I love this. It comes with the 2 packs, the coin, and the promo. And then, like, the backing, like, these are lifted so you can actually, like, they're textured. It's really nice. So, I think I will open this one first, so. Come on, Snivy. Oh, I don't want to. Okay. Got him out. So, here's Snivy. This is a really pretty card. These are the same promos from the promos that came in Japan out with the shirts that they sold. So I have the Japanese version of that Oshawott. So that's actually really neat. And surprised they came out so fast. So here is Snivy. Or Snivy. And here is the sampling pack. I guess it shows you what it comes with right on here, which would be Woobat, Purrloin, and then Panpour. I think those are their names. No, not again. Oh, ugh. Oh, whew. Energy Search, Fire Energy, Lillipup, Card List. So I guess it didn't come with the 3 on the pack. Huh. Interesting. That Lillipup's actually really cute. Okay, so here's the actual pack. I don't know how these go. I never can count right, so. Okay. Let's get this to focus closer so you guys can see more of the cards. Okay. So we have Venipede, Darumaka, Blitzel, Woobat. Oh, I love that artwork. Lillipup, Full Heal, Semi-Sage, Professor Juniper, Pansear, and an holographic Emboar. Sweet. Wow. That's awesome. Good pull for that. So, hooray. Now we have the blister pack. How does this open? Like, you can pull, like, the plastic on it, but I don't think that's how it opens. I hate ripping this nice packaging. So, here's the coin. Same as the coin that comes with the deck boxes. So this one's from the Oshawott Samurai deck box, and this is from the blister. I love this Oshawott card. That's very cute. I like all 3 promo cards. It's rare that all 3 of them are actually legitimately nice. Ooh, so it comes with another sampling pack. Why does it... Okay, so we have Potion, Clink, Pansear, and another info slip thing. So we have Reshiram, Zekrom, and Blitzel. I mean, Zebstrika, not Blitzel. So let's open Zeke first, since Zeke's my favorite. So we have Tipig, Venipede, Energy Search, Zorua, Oshawott, Full Heal, Zebstrika, Delusion, and the ultra rare Reshiram. Oh shit, son. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. I am. Oh, wow. Oh. This is incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got the ultra rare Reshiram in a Zekrom pack. Irony. Pansear, Timber, Woobat, Pansage, Patrat, Girder, Professor Juniper, Darumaka, Mandibuzz, and a reverse hollow Girder. I always have to say like Girder. I really like Mandibuzz too, because I like birds, so. Oh, I still can't believe I pulled an ultra rare Reshiram. Oh my god. That's the best card I pulled in quite a while. Blitzel, Snivy, I will get that one day. Timber, Tipig, Patilli, Basculin, Girder, Full Heal, Scoliopede, and a reverse Chinchino. Or Chinchino, because it's like a chinchilla. So, overall, best blister pack ever. Wow. I pulled a Reshiram. Oh my lordy god. I am even messing up my speech because of this guy. Wow. Just wow. So, pick up these blister packs. They're really nice. And you might even pull something like I did. This set comes with this Reshiram, a Zekrom, and a ultra rare Pikachu. So those are the 3 rares you can get now. These value at like $20, so I definitely earned my money back. Not that I'd be selling it anyway, but wow, that is just wow. Alright, so I will pick up these if you can get them. They're at most Targets now, Toys R Us, Walmart, places like that. And I will see you guys later.